Imagine designing a website, exporting the HTML, and telling an AI agent to animate the entire website. And a few seconds later, the whole thing comes to life. Smooth transition, scroll animation, micro interaction, everything. No manual GSAP coding, no spending hours tweaking key frameworks. So we'll turn a static HTML page to a fully animated site using AI agent in this part. So in the last part, we designed the portfolio for Lewis Hamilton, and I showed how we can use Stitch and a prompt that I provided. So this I iterated many designs and I finalized this design to be used. So as we copied from here, as we copied the code from here and use this is a static HTML page, and I have copied the code, and this is the page we got. It is a basic page, basic static page. So how we'll go now? So I have made a prompt. So first of all, the animation we do is using a library called GSAP in JavaScript. So this is the website of it. So they have a very good community, and it is a very good library that we can use. So we can do this type of animation using this. But the thing is, why to write all the code and stuff? Let's animate using AI. So I have made a template, AI template, prompt template that you can use it and make the website animated. So this is a GSAP animation expert that it acts like it, and we have to paste. We doesn't need to paste here the HTML. We already have the HTML page with us. So this is the index.html. I pasted here everything, and I have opened the agent in anti-gravity. You can download anti-gravity and open the agent from here. Okay, now so this website, this prompt have all the details you need. So first of all, you have to be specific about all the animation you need in the hero section, in the text, the portfolio, the footer, everything. I would say do a research about animation and stuff. What animations are there in here? So we can go through website like Landon Norris have. So Landon Norris have a good portfolio, I would say. So this is portfolio and here's a good animation. So you can also make this type of animations, but you have to be specific in your prompt. Every detail you have to be specific in your prompt. So I have already filled the prompt for this website, this static website we got, and we'll check how it goes. So let me just copy paste the prompt and then we can see it. So we'll use the agent here, and let me just copy it once. So I have filled the prompt from here. I have filled this. This is the filled prompt that I wanted. Everything, every detail it has in it. So let me paste here, just paste and click enter, and it will work now. So we'll just chill, have a drink and do stuff, whatever we want to do, and it will code for us. It will analyze the whole HTML page. See, it is analyzing the HTML first, and then it will transform the page. First, okay, one more thing. So anti-gravity works in two modes. There are two modes, planning and fast. So better to plan. What it does, it makes implementation plan for you that you can read and also modify in it. The and you can then tell it can you can continue with it. So it will use that template too. So it's thinking now. See, this is the implementation plan. So everything is written here. What animation we need, everything it is in. So just we have to do is open this from here. When it finishes, open it from this and click here proceed. Or what you can do, you can review and change if you want to do. So we'll click proceed, and now it will generate the output. So it will simply edit the HTML and add the JavaScript and everything. So guys, the animation is done all, and it's just notifying me now. So it took time too much time, I think so, but it's okay. It is done with the animation, everything. It added the JSON, it added the JavaScript file and the CSS file, and it gave us the walkthrough too. Okay, Now let's open it. I'll open it with live server. See this? Awesome, bro. So now the animations are great. Wow. Okay, there are some bugs, I would say. Oh, wow. So we got this animated website. It looks great, I think so. Let's reload once. Wow, it looks too good. See, check the cursor. It looks good, and everything moves on the scroll, and animation happens on the scroll as we go. See the text, nice. And the data is just not showing up, I think so, but it's okay. So this is on the scroll we got, and this is the last one. So we animated the site successfully with the prompt. So so the real trick here isn't just the AI, it's how you prompt it. If you give AI a really specific instructions, you will get the best output. If you give the AI simple average instructions, you will get an average result. So clearly you have the prompt defines everything. You have to just specify all the animation needs you need. So the workflow goes like this. So design the website using Stitch, then export it in the HTML file, or we can use React too. We have to just use the anti-gravity to convert the HTML to into the React thing. It is not a hard thing, I think so. Then we'll analyze, we'll use this prompt to animate the website. And here we go. So this is the output we got. Finally, I love this output, and it is a very good animated website. Now, this is not fully completed, I would say. This is still looking basic. Now, in the next video, we will animate the hero section into a 3D and immersive thing. So if you want to see how to create a 3D animated hero using AI, you're definitely going to watch us. And until then, let's the AI handle the animations.